Ayan, going to church, maglakad lang. Ayan. Good morning. Going to church, walking lang. Good morning to everyone. Sunday. First, God always. Good morning everyone. Happy Sunday. This is the 16th. Actually, this is the birthday of Weng Strandberg. Rowena Yap Strandberg. The day for them. Happy birthday, Rowena. Weng. Happy birthday to you. Ayan. Naglalakad lang po ako. Just walking. Walking and walking. Hanggang sama. Early walking. Thank you so much, Lord. God is good all the time. Thank you so much, Lord. Ayan. Nag-walking lang si Ate Jake. Ayan. Maaga pa kasi. Tulog pa yan. Ayan, may nakakasalubong tayo. Ayan, si Mama Mary. Ayan. Ito yung ano yan, dito yan. Meron silang ano talaga kay Mama Mary dito. Malayo lang yung palakad ko. Morning, Mama Mary. Ayan. Naglalakad lang ako. Just walking. Early in the morning. 7:30 ang mass. Makakaabot pa ako. Maskis pero mga tulog pa munta. Morning po. Yan. Si Inang maagang nagbukas ng tindahan. Pero pagdating doon, sasakay tayo kaya medyo kahapon pa ako lakad ng lakad. Super init. Ayan. Thank you so much guys. Just a short video. Happy lang tayo. Happy birthday Rowena Yap Strandberg. Happy birthday.